Congratulations for making it this far in the race. So if you've done this well, I think we'll be able to handle two formulas this time. Formula for the perimeter and the area of the square. So here we have a square with the side length is 6 inches. So we know that in a square all the sides are the same. So all of them are 6 inches. The perimeter, of course, we can see that we could add all these up, and what would we get? We get the perimeter of this distance around this, or perimeter of this. For our formula, we're going to call it the side, okay? And instead of length and width like a rectangle, since all the sides are the same, we're just going to call each of them side, the side length. And in the formula, we're going to use an S for the length of this to represent the length of this side. So of course we can see what we could add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, or the side plus the side plus the side plus the side. But that really equals just 4 times the side, and that's the formula we use. The perimeter of a square equals 4 times its side length, 4s. So we plug that in. What do we got? 4 times 6 inches, or 24 inches. Notice we don't have 4 inches times 6 inches. It's just 4 times 6 inches, and that's why we don't have inches squared here. Perimeter is just regular linear units, not square units. Now the area of a square is similar to a rectangle in the sense that, yeah, we're going to multiply these two dimensions. In a rectangle we call them the length and the width, but since they're the same in here, we're just multiplying basically the side times the side, since they're the same. S times S. Well, S times S is really written as S to the second power. S to the second power means S times S. So we're going to take 6 inches to the second power. So that's 6 inches times 6 inches. So the 6 times 6 is 36. But again, for area, they're square inches, and we get it by multiplying inches times inches again. 6 inches times 6 inches equals 36 inches to the second power, or square inches. So don't forget in your answer the correct units. Perimeter is a linear measure in inches, feet, miles, but area is always squares. How many of these little square inches fit in here? And we're getting that from multiplying the units times the units. For your next task in this race, you are going to go to BrainGenieCK12.org. I will give you your passwords and your logins. Your password will be your ID number. I need to give you your logins. And I've assigned a lesson in there you're going to do the practice problems. On Brain Genie, you can always, once you log in and click on the goals, I'll have to help you a little bit there. I'll show you that in a little bit, maybe before you get to this part. Show you how to get to your lesson that you need to do, the practice problems. Good luck with this part of the race. When you're done, call me over and I'll give you your next clue.